Hi everyone, this is Danny. We are looking at our 300 Mogul Gummy Candy Production Line. This is the kitchen parts and this is the depositing forming parts. Let's begin with the kitchen parts. First, this is our dissolving tank, which is double jacket with insulation. So there is a visual window to catch the level of the heating elements. And all contact food parts is made by stainless steel, even the jacket, pipes, and the pump. This pump is a rubber pump to transfer the syrup into next tank. Different gum base will be different range of the kitchen system. And this tank is for cooling and equipped with square type mixtures inside. The four sets kitchen will into one controlling box. The cable has a clear introduction of each part. The temperature control is by Mogul. Let's check inside the controlling box. All the electronic components is made by Siemens, and contact with a UL listed way and marks each part. And the last tank we are looking at is a buffer tank. The finished syrup will go through it and into the CFA dosing system. Like this tank here is to add pigments inside. After dosing the color flavor acid, the view windows here to check the syrup conditions and ready go to the depositing system. And this is our Gummy depositing system with the Siemens touch screens and the PLC silver controlling systems. Now we are looking at is our oil misting system, which you can set it on the touch screen or you can individually setting them one by one. Our hopper have bended angles and handles to prevent the workers from the burning after the hot running. The parts like the temperature tube is a click type for easy to replacement. The syrup will deposit into the molds. The molds we are looking at is a clink type molds. The molds will transfer into the cooling tunnel. Let's open the kettle and see it. The door is made by insulation and stainless steel. And this part is a demolding part. You can adjust the angles and the demolding times. Yeah, everything is stainless steel and good quality. You can check the door handles. Now let's check out the cooling unit. For this model is 20 pH chillers and everything inside is stainless steel. The collecting belt goes all inside the tunnel. It's more cleaning and the GMP standard. This cooling tunnel is about 10 meters in length, and finally you can collect the gummies from here or by a transfer.